Navigating Sharp Smart TV's app possibilities.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a question many of us have been asking. Is it possible to add apps to a Sharp Smart TV that are not available in the pre-installed App Store? We're going to dive deep into this topic and give you all the details.
Understanding the Sharp Smart TV's App Store.
To begin, it's crucial to understand that Sharp Smart TVs come with a built-in App Store. This App Store contains a variety of applications for streaming, games, and more that you can directly install on your TV. The apps you find in this store are specifically designed and tested to work with your TV software. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there isn't an official method provided by Sharp to install apps outside of their App Store.
Are there alternatives?
Some tech enthusiasts may discuss alternative methods like sideloading applications. Sideloading is a process where you install an application manually, rather than directly from the official store. While this is possible on certain devices such as Android phones and Fire TV sticks, as of 2021, Sharp Smart TVs do not support sideloading. Any unofficial methods can be risky and potentially void your warranty, so they are not recommended.
What can you do?
So, if there's an app that's not available in the pre-installed store, what can you do? The best alternative is to use an external device such as a Roku stick, Chromecast, Apple TV, or Amazon Fire TV stick. These devices plug into your TV's HDMI port and provide their own app stores, which may have a wider range of apps available. Remember, however, to ensure that the app you want is available on these platforms before purchasing one of these devices. In conclusion, as of my latest knowledge update in 2021, it's not possible to directly add apps to a Sharp Smart TV that are not in the pre-installed App Store. For additional apps, your best bet is to use an external device with its own App Store. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the app possibilities on your Sharp Smart TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related content.